This isn't just your average pie. Oh no, this is a celebration of summer's bounty, layered high with juicy fruit and kissed with the warmth of spice. Imagine biting into a flaky, buttery crust, giving way to layers of sweet and tart fruit, all topped with a creamy, dreamy topping. It's enough to make you close your eyes and sigh with happiness. What makes this pie so special? It's all about the layers, my dears. We're using a mix of fresh, seasonal fruits. Think juicy berries, stone fruits bursting with flavor, and maybe even a touch of something tropical for good measure. Each layer gets its own special treatment, with a sprinkle of sugar and a touch of spice to enhance its natural sweetness. And then there's the topping. Forget your plain old whipped cream. We're making a luxurious spiced cream topping that's light, fluffy, and oh so delicious. It's the perfect finishing touch to this already incredible pie. Trust me, this is one dessert that will have everyone asking for seconds. So, gather your ingredients, put on your aprons, and let's get baking. This ultimate fruit-layered pie is about to become your new go-to dessert. For the crust, 2½ cups all-purpose flour, plus extra for dusting, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, chilled and diced, ½ cup ice water. For the fruit filling, 1½ cups sliced fresh peaches, 1½ cups fresh blueberries, 1 cup fresh raspberries, ½ cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup packed light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. For the creamy spiced topping, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Let's begin with the crust. Combine the flour and salt in a large bowl. Cut in the chilled butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add the ice water, mixing until the dough just comes together. Don't overwork it. Shape into a disc, wrap tightly, and refrigerate for at least an hour. Time to prepare the fruit filling. In a separate bowl, toss together the peaches, blueberries, and raspberries with both sugars, cornstarch, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, allowing the juices to release. Now roll out your chilled dough on a lightly floured surface to a 12-inch circle. Carefully transfer it to a 9-inch pie plate. Trim and crimp the edges for a beautiful rustic look. Here comes the fun part, layering the fruit. Spoon the peach mixture into the bottom of the crust, followed by the blueberry mixture. Make sure to spread the fruit evenly, ensuring each bite is bursting with flavor. Section 4, the grand finale, baking and serving your layered delight. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Place the pie on a baking sheet to catch any drips. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. If the crust starts to brown too quickly, cover it loosely with foil. While the pie is baking, it's time to whip up the creamy spiced topping. In a chilled bowl, beat the heavy cream, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and cinnamon until soft peaks form. Remember, be careful not to overbeat. Once the pie has cooled slightly, dollop generous spoonfuls of the spiced cream topping over the fruit. You can get creative here, swirling the cream for an elegant touch. Serve your ultimate fruit-layered pie warm or at room temperature. It's absolutely divine on its own, but a scoop of vanilla ice cream wouldn't hurt. Section 5, tips from Ina's kitchen. Elevating your pie to new heights. Feel free to experiment with different fruits. Blackberries, strawberries, or even a handful of chopped mangoes would be delicious additions. For an extra layer of flavor, brush the bottom crust with a beaten egg before adding the fruit filling. This will help prevent a soggy bottom. Want a richer flavor? Substitute the heavy cream in the topping with mascarpone cheese. It's heavenly. This pie is best enjoyed fresh, but leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. There you have it, your very own ultimate fruit-layered pie made with love and the freshest ingredients. Enjoy.